I chose a boxable casita because I needed something easy, something durable to allow a place for travel nurses to live when they're on assignment.
There's not a product out there that can beat this. Our stick builds are going to cost a little more. It's going to take about 5 to 7 months longer. Everything is here. The heating and air conditioning is high quality, comes with washer and dryer, full-size appliances, a full amazing bathroom with high quality product.
My first impression seeing it in person was awe. It truly is compact as advertised, and it truly does unfold in a very short period of time.
The design from the factory is amazing. They've done every little piece and part. They have it worked out. You're not guessing, you don't have to alter anything. There's nothing that's left with a question mark. It's all figured out for you.
This has been seamless, fast, easy, super efficient. As a nurse, I like efficiency. I like speed. Things that need to get done, I want them done, and I want them done right. And boxable has proven that that is completely accurate.